Question number 28. A laser produces a beam of light of wavelength 650 nanometers. The beam is incident normally on two slits at a distance of 0.1 millimeter apart. D is also given. Lambda is given. A screen is placed parallel to the slits. The bright interference fringes on the screen have a separation of 7.5 centimeters. Beta is given to you. What is the distance between the screen and the two slits? What is he asking here? He is asking you to find out the value of capital T. What formula? Formula is beta equal to lambda capital D by small d. I want the value of D. D should be equal to beta D divided by lambda. This is what we have. So now this will be substitute this value. This will be 7.5 centimeter. I'll write this as 10 to 10 to the power of minus 2 multiplied by what's the value of D? Value of D is 0.12 into 10 power minus 3 divided by what's the value of lambda? 650 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Use your calculator to get the correct value of this. Close this. Okay. So this will be 7.5 into 0.12 divided by 650. When I do this, I get the answer as 0.00138. 0.00138 into here minus 2 minus 3 10 power minus 5 plus 9, right? So when I do this, how much do I get? So I get the answer as 0.00138 into 10 to the power of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which should be around 13.8 meters. Should be your answer. 13.8, where is it? 14 meters. 14 meters is the right answer.